All right, well, we're in Layton, Utah, and we're here to see the new temple, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And there it is. We're just driving right into it. This is a new temple for us.
So pretty.
Wow, look at that. That's pretty. Not a lot of people here today. You gotta follow the signs. You can't park at the temple here, so for the open house. But it doesn't look very busy at all.
No.
Look at all this crazy cones, man. Welcome to Utah, eh? There's this old... Welcome back to Big Bert's Adventures! Man, we got an adventure for you today.
Yeah, we do.
Where are we going?
Do I have to say?
Yes.
Okay.
Where are we going?
Layton Temple Open House?
Yeah, here in Layton, Utah. We've got Dalton Meridian with us, and we're on the bus to heaven with all these people.
With the Amoses.
And the Amoses are over here too.
I'm not sure which kingdom we're going to.
That's right.
And some of them.
If they drop me off before you guys, it'll be a little embarrassing. But all right, well, we'll shoot you some more when we get there. All right, we got the temple right outside the doors here. So excited. I'm not going to record inside. It's okay. Oh, here we go. We just got off the big bus. Oh, yeah.
Can you do it quick?
Yes.
Selfie?
We just had a guy take our picture, so. Look at all the flowers. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Going on a tour, people. And we're gonna bring you with us. How nice it is. These are the temple grounds here in Layton, Utah. So I'm gonna look at the tulips real quick. Oh yeah, look how beautiful they are. Love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Alright, we're going in. All right, we made it out of the Layton Temple. Look at that. Oh yeah.
So pretty. We need to come down and show them the
Beautiful.
water features.
How beautiful it is out today. Take some stairs. Look at this fountain here. Wow. Oh, they're taking a picture. Flowers. What do you think, babe?
Oh, it's awesome.
Isn't it beautiful?
So beautiful.
Oh yeah, Layton Temple. Totally worth the trip. All right, we're heading back to the buses. This is the side of the temple. Look how beautiful. Got Moroni up there. Yeah, it's gorgeous. We've got my forehead was sweating and hot. But look at the mountains over there behind it. So beautiful. Yeah. Summertime's coming, y'all. Woo. We're red. You too. But yeah, there's the mountains, you guys, of Layton. There's an old feed stack right there. Beautiful. And here we go. We're getting on the Layton Temple bus. Getting out of here. There's the temple behind us. Oh yeah. Oh goodness, I can't jump in here. All right, here we go. Here we go, bro. We're moving. It's a scary bus. And look at all the buses there is. There's the temple behind us. Views on views, boys.
Yes.